Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you about Java Collection Framework. So let's get started. The Java Collection Framework is a set of classes and interfaces that implement commonly reusable collection data structure. This tutorial, we will cover three fundamental parts of Java Collection Framework: list, set, and map. So now let's get started with the first one, list. List is focused on the insertion order, and it can add duplicate value, and its feature has maintain insertion order, allow duplicate element, and index access where get method. And in collection interface there are a lot of methods. I can show you in the document here. Like here is the collection interface, and there are a lot of methods available like add all, clear, contain all, and so on. And we get the value from the list interface using the method get here and provide the index. And below is the common implementation is ArrayList, linked list, and vector. We use ArrayList for faster access, and linked list when we focus on add or remove the first or last index of the list, and vector is a thread safe and due to the synchronization. And below is the example of the list interface. So here is the list interface of type string with the variable name fruit and initialize the ArrayList class. And in here we insert the value to the list fruit, use the method add, and fruit.add apple, add banana, and the last one is apple, and it is duplicate, but the list can be add the duplicate value, so this example is fine. So now let's try to run this example in the IntelliJ. Okay, now let's open IntelliJ and click on new project and type collection example. Okay, add sample code and JDK21, click create. Okay, I have one method main, let me remove this. Okay, let's copy the example. Okay. We need to import from Java util this interface and import ArrayList. So now let's execute this program. The expectation it will print all the elements. Okay, it's corrected apple, banana, and apple. Now we know how to use the ArrayList. Next, let's continue with another interface. The set interface is focused on the unique, so you cannot add duplicate value to the set, and it's may or may not maintain the order depend on the implementation. For example, HashSet, no guarantee order. Link HashSet, maintain the insertion order. And 3-set, sort in the natural or comparator order. It's similar to the list set. You can use this collection method to work with the set. So here is the example of the set interface. It's a set, the set type of string and the variable name and color, and we use the HashSet class. And here is we try to insert color red, blue, but instead you cannot add a duplicate value, so the last one here is will be ignored. So let's copy this to run in IntelliJ. Okay, let's see if it works as expected. So let's import the set and HashSet. So in IntelliJ, they show the warning and duplicate element, but it's not error. Let's run that. Let's run this to see the result. Okay, the result is red and blue, so there is no duplicate value in the set. So that's correct. Now let's move to another topic, is map. Map is a key value pair. It is map a key to a value, and key must be unique, but value can be duplicated. And its common implementation is HashMap. No order, link HashMap insertion order, and 3-map sort by key, and hash table for thread safe version. So let's see the example of map. Here is the map interface. It map the key to the value, so the key is the integer and the value is the string, and the variable is number. And here it's initialize the HashMap. And now we can put the key value to the map. We use the method put. So, and key cannot duplicate, so this example that the key will the value will override when you try to add the same key. So let's copy this example to IntelliJ. We need to import map. Okay, here is a warning. And let's execute this program to see the result. Okay, as we can see that the key number 1 is duplicate, so the last one will override the value key 1 equal uno. Yes, that's it for map. Let's go to the summary. So here is the summary table. So list is allow duplicate and maintain the order, but it's not a key value pair like map. Set is similar to the list, but it cannot be duplicated. It must be unique. And maintain the order is depend on the implementation. For example, 3-set for sorting and not a key value pair. And map key cannot be duplicated, but value can. And Maintain order depend on the implementation, and it is a key value pair. So note, use ArrayList for fast access, linked list for fast insert or remove the last or first item, and HashSet for fastest but unordered, use reset for sorting, and HashMap is a default, use link HashMap for order and tree map for sorting. So that's all for this video. If using this video is help, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.